How to find my Facebook user ID and username. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, to find your user ID, simply click on your profile. Then you'll find three dots, click on three dots. And then at the bottom, which is copy link, in that you'll find your Facebook user ID. As you can see, there are numbers. And to find username, simply go back, click on three lines on top right, and then go to settings. After you're in settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on account center, then click on profiles. Click on Facebook. In here you'll find your username below name. Right now I don't have username, so it is not showing up, but you simply find your username in here. This is how to find my Facebook user ID and username. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more